Welcome back. One asset that you will want to add to your membership site is going to be a place to have discussion. Now, you can certainly do that inside of a social media group. However, in the system platform, you can do that with your own community. You're going to need to go to the asset area, and you're going to see that there's a place here for communities. You want to click on that link. You'll notice here that you can set up multiple communities for multiple purposes. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a new community for discussion, and this community is going to be specifically used inside of a specific membership. We can click on create. We can then create a community. We're then going to set the path for this community. When you click inside of the dialog box, System will create one automatically. You can adjust it if that's something that you want to do. We can then click save. The new community has now been created. You can then click inside of the new community. Once you are inside of the new community, you can go to the settings tab. You can then decide that the community is going to be private and you're only going to have individuals that are paying to be as part of your community. You can make it so that all posts that are created with your members are approved automatically, and that could be a good thing to do for the individuals that are joining. So we're going to go ahead and leave that enabled. We can also set up a community image, and we're going to do that here in this area. Since what we're doing is creating a rectangular image, we're going to typically have to crop any image that you put in there. If it's not going to be a rectangular image, we're then going to click upload. You'll then have an image for your community. Now, even though you don't yet have members as of setting this up, you are then going to want to create your first topic. Now that we've created a topic area, we're going to stop the video here. We're going to pick it up from creating the first post. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.